From Random Things with John and Zach, here is John and Zach.
Hey guys, welcome back to Random Things with John and Zach, and today I have another video. So this video is going to be a magic trick, and it's not as easy as the one last time, I have to admit that, but it's still pretty easy, and it's, I would say, much more effective. So that's pretty much all I have to say. It's called the Jack's Rob a Bank card trick. It's pretty well known. And I hope you learn the magic trick pretty well. And I hope you like it. And before I leave, shout out to Them Crocs Sober. He has a pretty good channel. He makes good content. And enjoy the magic trick. Bye. Hey guys, before I start the trick, I'm going to ask you if you like this camera angle. If you think it's good, if you don't like it, just tell me in the comments down below. And so let's start the trick. Right here, I have the 4 jacks. And these 4 jacks want to rob a bank. So right here, let me just get all these jacks. Jack of Spades is the guy who makes the plan, and he's the smartest one of them all. The Jack of Clubs is the guy who turns the alarm off so they don't get caught trying to steal. The Jack of Diamonds is the one who literally takes the money so they get it. There we go. And finally, we have the Jack of Hearts, the most important one of them all, the Lookout. And right here, we have the Jack of Hearts, and we have the 3 jacks that kind of infiltrate farther into the bank. And you can see that the jacks are inside the bank, hypothetically. So the Lookout Jack sees the cops coming, and he calls with his walkie-talkie to the other jacks that they see a cop coming and that they have to get out now. So as fast as they can, the Jack of Hearts gets the Jack of Diamonds, the Jack of Clubs, and the Jack of Spades out of the store, so they are all safe and don't get caught. Stay tuned to see how to learn this trick. This trick is pretty simple. It's not as easy as the first one, but it's not that hard. So what you want to do, I like to separate these jacks before, but you don't have to. You can put them on the top. But what you do, you take 3 random cards. They're on the top. And what you do, you try and get it's called a pinky break, where you're holding it. You're holding the cards with your pinky, but it's kind of low key, so it doesn't look like you're doing anything. Just looks like you're holding the deck. And now you take these jacks and you say your story, they want to rob a bank and everything. So what you're going to do, you're going to put them face up on top, keeping your 7 card pinky break now. Try to keep it as casual as possible, because people are good at observing things, believe it or not. And what you're going to do, you're going to take all these 7 cards, and I like to hold them like this, so you can't really see that. And what you're going to do, you're going to tell your story. Okay, so the Jack of Spades is the one he's the smarts, he makes the plan. You can use my story, you can use someone else's story, it doesn't matter. I like to make my own story. Almost all of these I made was on my own. So this guy's the smarts. He makes the plan, and you're gonna put it face down like that, but you're not gonna put it face down. You're not gonna put it face down like that, obviously. Just make it subtle. And then the Jack of Hearts, this guy, he does the alarm, turns it off. And then Jack of Diamonds, he takes the money. And lastly, it gets pretty easy from here. You can put this on the top and just like center it up, and then put it like this. And you could probably figure out the trick from now. Well, but I'm gonna still tell you, because remember, these three cards are random, but these three cards down are actually jacks. So all the three jacks go in to the bank to rob it, and then you just push it in like that. And now the Jack of Clubs sees the cops, and he uses the walkie-talkie to tell the Jacks that the cops are here and they have to get out as soon as possible. So what they do, he calls them, and as fast as they can, remember, these three are Jacks, so the trick is kind of set up. They all come out and they're safe. So that's pretty much the card trick. I'm posting this on the Classroom. If you want to see my Classroom code, I'll put it in the description. I'll also link my last card trick in the description and stuff like that. Comment down below, like if you like this video, and subscribe for more content. It's free, and I'll see you in the next video.